So for my parfait, I actually need my granola. My granola. If you want to see the way I did this granola, it's actually on my last video. Check it out, okay? And the fruit I'm using, kiwi, mango, apple, and grapes. Some red grapes. I also used, my yogurt was plain sweetened yogurt, and strawberry yogurt, Greek yogurt. Actually make use of any type of fruit that is very handy to you, that if any fruit that you can actually get. Okay, so these are just the fruit I was able to get, so that was why I used this fruit. So you can go ahead and make use of any type of fruit that you want. So I just went ahead, and the fruits are already washed, of course, and I went ahead and started slicing the fruits the way I wanted it, just slice it into bits, into small bits. That's the way I want it. So I just went ahead, and this is the grapes. I'm trying to remove the stuff, the seeds, the tiny seeds in it and all that, so that I thought it was the seedless grape. So but I found that there were seeds in it, so I was just trying to remove the seed. Just I'm basically just going to slice the fruit into, just chop them and dice it into small pieces, so that just the way I want it. You can actually do yours the way you want it, but it's basically you're going to slice it, but you can slice it normal or in medium size or smaller cubes, just as you like. Okay. So I'm done cutting everything, all the fruits. So I'm basically just trying to just, turn and try and mix the fruits together, just for it to mix properly together. So I have my glass. Actually, you need a glass for this, okay? So I have my glass cup, any form of glass cup you have, transparent glass cup actually can do. So I'll just start layering my yogurt and my fruit and my granola. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the first flavor of my Greek yogurt, which is the blueberry. Actually, this is a blueberry Greek yogurt. So I'll first put the first layer, the blueberry, and the next layer is my fruits that have been mixed together. And the third layer is, of course, my granola. So I'll just go ahead and just put my granola on the third layer. This is just how I'm going to be doing it. So the next step again is another Greek yogurt. So I'm going to be using the other Greek yogurt, that's the other flavor, the plain sweetened Greek yogurt. So I'll put that one. So this is another glass. I'm just basically going to repeat the process of what I did with the first glass on the second glass. Wow, my parfait is ready. You can chill it, for like 2 to 5 minutes, and after that, you can start taking it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please try this recipe, it's very healthy and it's so filling. Let me know what you think until I come your way next time. Bye bye.